Hello everyone, I am Jyoti. In this video, I am going to discuss about the role of data science in health science. Before going to the original topic, let me overview about what is data science. Data science is a combination of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning techniques which help us to find the hidden patterns from the given raw data. And it is an interdisciplinary field which mainly focuses on extracting knowledge from the data sets which are typically large, and applying the knowledge and actionable insights from the data to solve the problems in a wide range of application domains. And it incorporates a skill from computer science, statistics, information science, and many more data integration techniques. Coming to the applications of the data science, at present nowadays there are huge range of applications in the field of data science. Even each and every business field is using the data science as to improve their businesses. Now let us see some few applications in this video. One is healthcare. Healthcare is a huge industry in which the data plays a very vital important role to improvise and in bringing the improvisation and innovation in the drugs and healthcare industry. The healthcare data which is generated from the various hospitals and healthcare in drug discoveries and pharmaceuticals is very large. In order to evaluate those all data, the data science plays a very important role in the healthcare industry. And next one is the speech recognition. This speech and image recognition is also one of the applications of the data science. In this speech and image recognition, data science algorithms are used for the effective use of these applications. We can also come across a great work these algorithms in our daily life, like we use voice assistants like Alexa, Siri kind of things, but we never think how this actually works. It is, if we have learned deep into that, we can understand that it is also one of the applications of the data science. The image recognition can also be an over social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And these apps offer the recognition of the person when you post or tag someone in the Instagram and upload their pic. How the Instagram is being identifying the person, because the algorithm behind is involved with the data science. This is how the image and speech recognition applies the data science. Now let us understand the role of data science in the health science. The data science plays an, as I said earlier, the data science plays a very vital role in the healthcare industry. Data science is rapidly growing to occupy all the industries in the today world. In this topic, if we now I'm going to discuss how the data is being transforming in the healthcare industry and how it is being in various sectors of the healthcare industry. Coming to the medicine and healthcare are the two most important things of human lives. Traditionally, medicines only rely on the discretion advised by the doctors. For example, a doctor would have to suggest suitable treatments based on the patient's symptoms. Now, without the doctor suggestions, by applying the data science applications and the knowledge, even the machines are detecting that what are the symptoms to a particular patients. Even the doctors also maybe cannot do what are the correct symptoms of the patients. So this data science is helping to rectify the human errors in the healthcare industry. And not only that, now let us see the various applications of the data science in the healthcare industry sectors. First one is the health insurance industry. How the health insurance industry is being using the data science is, data has been very large in the healthcare industry actually, as I said earlier. And nowadays, before the term big data was coined, or even before as we current know it's existed, the health insurance companies depended on mathematical models to predict the outcomes and on information collected during the health plan member ongoing to the customer interactions. Data is still central, but it has changed in terms of the sheer volume of information, and it is collected and analyzed. Now this healthcare industry is takes this massive volume of data at their disposal. Health insurance would be crazy not to use big data analytics to their advantage, and it especially when it is a key to solving one of the health insurance industry's biggest challenges. Now let us see how it deeply helping the health insurance industry in nowadays. Since the modern technologies are been increasing nowadays, the modern technologies are moving extremely fast in making their ways into the various fields of businesses. In respect to that, healthcare industry also doesn't lag before, doesn't lived before. The applications of statistics in the health insurance industry has a long history. Since the fact is that health insurance industries are actively using the data science in order to analyze a large sets of data. Coming to the second application, how the data science can improve the health insurance industry. Now let us see that data science practices are being merged into insurance industry. As previously stated, the SOA has released the predictive analysis exam that focuses on modeling, billing, codifying the underlying statistical algorithm into the R programming language. And then accessing the results of the model, the data science moves the health insurance industry into analyzing a wider range of impact factors, and this decreases the risk and increases the pricing and benefits to the health insurance industry. These are the few improvements that can be included in the health insurance industry. Now let us understand how the data analytics is being performed in the pharmaceutical research. This pharmaceutical research is all the pharmaceutical research are being using this data science application in their pharmaceutical research in order to improve their business and in order to discover various drugs in a fast time. Pharmaceutical companies have also relied on empirical data in order to identify the patterns, test theories, and understand the efficiency of the treatments. Data analytics is just not an evaluation in the trend that has been continuing for hundreds of years. That's of human being ever greater access to information and data. So this information technology has only accelerated that process, making it impossible to share and tap into various sources of information than it would be ever be possible for the solitary man to mind the process. Coming to why the big data can be beneficial in the pharmaceutical industry due to the various applications. Now I'm going to discuss what are the various applications that are included with the big data in order to have the benefits for the pharmaceutical industry. First one is it reduces the research and development cost. Since it is a pharmaceutical industry which includes various research and development cost in order to discover various kinds of drugs and making research on those drugs. So in order to release a particular new drug, it involves a lot of internal research and development cost. In order to reduce that cost, the big data is playing a vital role. According to the Joseph A. Dancy, director of economic analysis at Tunis, and drug development and research are costly undertaking across the pharmaceutical industries. Medicines fight diseases like ALS are not being developed because the cost of developing the medicines. So in order to develop such costly medicines, they are using the big data to consolidate all the data and testing mechanism in a least cost manner, which also increases the release of the drug in a shorter amount of time, and it also reduces the cost to develop the drug. Now let us see the second factor, how the pharmaceutical industry is using big data. There is a lot of application of big data analytics in conducting the clinical trials, better clinical trials. That means before releasing a big new drug into the market, they need to conduct a lot of clinical trials. In order to conduct those clinical trials, which includes various algorithms, they are taking the help of big data to include the various algorithms to test that particular drug. So because of this, these algorithms reduces the manual invention of 85%, thus leading the cost and time saving during the larger trials. Machine learning techniques like association rules and decision tree helps in determining the trends related to the patient absence, adherence, and various other metrics. And this big data helps in designing the flowchart to match and recruit more patients in clinical trials, which will in turn increase the success rate of the drug. So they are using a predictive model that can help in analyzing the competitors of the new product based on the several clinical and commercial scenarios. Now let us see how the big data is being using under the hospital analysis. Actually, this hospital analysis is a biggest task, because in a hospital there are huge set of patients data, workers data, doctors data and all. In order to consolidate analysis such wide range of data, they are using a big data analytics, which is application of the data science. Now let us understand how they are using the data analytics in the hospital analysis. There are few sectors where getting rapid business intelligence insights could be generally a case of life and death, and medicine is one of them. Hospitals around the world are under ever increasing pressure to provide the first class care to rapidly growing populations. Often while funding sequences and changes to payment plans, they are they're using this data science in order to have a well performance of the hospitals and track aspects like patient progress and outcomes, and track bed occupancy, improve the bed cares and all. In order to improve this all, they are taking the help of data science and making the all things possible in a best and efficient way. Now let us understand what is the biggest challenge that the hospitals are being facing during the data analysis of the hospital data. That is, hospitals will have actually the hospitals have historically been slow to make switch to the digital, but electric health records are finally becoming the norm. While this can be improved, how health is administrated long term, it is a presence migrate challenges along the way. So healthcare analytics data is highly sensitive, making security paramount. And it also helps in the generations of paper records and disjointed internal computers. That means it simply generates the information into a consistent format and analyzes that information for the future and future analysis. And then there is a issue of consistency evaluating the cost and payment models. So this impacts the unforeseen health crisis like epidemics and all. Finally, unlike most other industries, doctors and nurses don't naturally take a business oriented approach to their work. For them to engage with BI, you need a definite visual communication method that brings the insights to life in immediately actionable ways. So they have a clear benefits to patients rather than abstract business implications. In order to solve the biggest challenge that is being faced by the hospitals are taking help of the BI solution. That means they in order to analytics each and every patient data in a clear cut manner, they are taking the BI as a tool, and they are analyzing the information of the patient in a clear manner. So hospitals are looking to invest on the BI solution in order to have the highest possible bar where it comes to security, flexible, self-service, and the speed. And on the security side, high-level encryption and statistics data access permissions is crucial, and it is the ability to whether the host your BI platform on the cloud or on your side. And this also needs to be acceptable enough to fit your peak and choose the metrics that matter to you. So whenever you need to without relying on the IT department. Plus, of course, you need to initialize easy to navigate front end, both medical and the business terms included in it, in order to have the better real-time results. So the hospitals are taking the BI solution in order to have the better communication results of between the patient and the doctor. Now let us conclude this. As for in this video, we have seen the various applications of the data science in various sectors, and mainly we focused on the hospital data analysis in the healthcare industry. So there are in order to conclude this, I can finally say that there are various huge range of applications in the healthcare industry, and which takes the advantage of this data science in those industries. They are heavily being getting profitalized, and they are being utilized in the proper manner in order to change the lifestyle of the patients and predicting the diseases at the early stage. And it also, with the advancements in medicine image analysis, it is possible for the doctors to find out the microscopic tumors that were otherwise hard to find if they are testing manually. So data science has revolutionized healthcare and the medical industry in larger ways. So this is how the data science is applied in the healthcare industry. Thank you.